Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am diving into the cutting-edge world of foldable smartphones, exploring the top contenders in the market. From sleek designs to powerhouse specs, these devices are pushing the boundaries of innovation. Let's jump right in. Before starting the video, the buy links are given in the description and you can buy these foldable phones from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. Kicking things off, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, released in July 2023. Weighing in at 253 grams, this foldable beauty boasts a 6.2-inch external display and a larger 7.6-inch internal display. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and 12 GB of RAM, it offers a seamless user experience. With a 50-megapixel, a megapixel and 10-megapixel rear camera setup and a 10-megapixel front camera, the Z Fold 5 is a photography powerhouse. And with storage options ranging from 256 GB to a whopping 1 TB, you'll have all the space you need. Now let's talk about the OnePlus Open. Boasting a 7.8-inch main screen and a 6.3-inch secondary display, this phone unfolds to reveal a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a spacious 512 GB storage. The unfolded size is 6.03 by 5.63 by 0.22 inches, and when closed, it's a compact 6.03 by 2.88 by 0.46 inches, weighing in at 8.4 ounces. The versatile camera setup includes a 48-megapixel main lens, 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, along with a 20-megapixel front camera and a 32-megapixel inner camera. Samsung makes a second appearance with the Z Flip 5, sporting a 6.7-inch main screen and a 3.4-inch secondary display. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, it offers 8 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB. The device features impressive camera capabilities with a 12-megapixel dual rear setup and a 10-megapixel front-facing camera, capturing moments in stunning detail. Last but certainly not least, we have the Oppo Find N3 flip phone. Featuring a 3.2-inch cover screen and a 6.8-inch main screen, this phone is a visual delight. The powerful camera setup includes a 50-megapixel plus 32-megapixel plus 48-megapixel rear setup and a 32-megapixel front camera. With a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 processor, 12 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage, it's a performance powerhouse. The Color OS 13.2 and a 4,300 mAh battery round out the package, making it both stylish and functional. Next up, we have the Google Pixel Fold, hitting the shelves in June 2023. Weighing 283 g, it features a 7.6-inch foldable display and a 5.8-inch external screen. Running on the Google Tensor G2 processor with 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, this phone is a multitasking marvel. The camera setup includes a 48-megapixel main sensor, 10.8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5x telephoto lens, along with an 8-megapixel front camera. Choose between 256 GB and 512 GB of storage to meet your needs. Moving on, we have the Honor Magic V2, featuring a foldable 7.92-inch OLED display and an outer 6.43-inch OLED screen. With a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, 16 GB of RAM, and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, this phone is a powerhouse. The impressive camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main lens, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 20-megapixel telephoto, while the 16-megapixel front camera ensures stunning selfies. All of this is powered by a hefty 5,000 mAh battery. And there you have it, folks. The best foldable phones you can buy. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, goodbye.